I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Let me show you how to change the screen timeout period. This is basically the amount of time your screen stays before it automatically goes off. So just turn on the screen or wake up the screen and then press this button to go to the main menu and then scroll and find settings. Under settings, scroll and tap on display and brightness, and then you should see auto screen off. So this is basically the amount of time. So this is basically the amount of time that the screen will stay on before it automatically goes off. Now you might have noticed it's just 5 seconds. So I can tap on that and then increase that to something else, like maybe even 20 seconds, which is the maximum, and then tap on the check mark, and now my screen should stay on for longer. So that's basically how to change the screen timeout period on the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2. Thanks for watching and good luck.